Hey guys, how you all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video. It's the Nykaa and Amazon haul. I've ordered a lot of stuff from both of these websites. So all these products that I've ordered are under ₹500, which makes this an affordable haul kind of a video. All these products are like really budget friendly. So let's just get into the video and see all these items. So first I'm going to be showing you all products that I've ordered from Amazon. So yeah, the first product that I've ordered is this black drawstring top. This top's fabric is actually not cotton, it's polyester, so the fabric is not that great, but the top is really nice. It fits really nice and it looks so elegant. Like, I loved it. Also there's this drawstring, so you can adjust ki kahan kaun sa length pe you want this top to be. So I wore this top for my friend's birthday already because I could not wait. Order aaya and I was like ki mujhe ye pehenna hai. If you watched the previous video jahan par I vlogged my BFF's birthday, usme I'm wearing the same top. So if you haven't watched the video yet, do watch it. I'm going to be linking the video here somewhere. This top was for ₹499, which I think is a great deal. It's also budget friendly and it looks really amazing. Next thing that I ordered is this white t-shirt. It's plain white and it has like black linings on the sleeves. This really looks good and the fabric is so amazing. I even loved the neckline because the neckline is not that deep. So I think it's a super comfortable t-shirt and you can wear it in summers like all day. I totally suggest you to buy this. Also, this was not that expensive. This is worth the price, like 100% worth the price, and I think it is one of my favorites so far. So the next thing that I ordered from Amazon is this pair of sunglasses, which I don't know why I ordered because that was an impulsive decision. So there's this cat eye thing going on with these sunglasses. I do not know how this looks on me because I am not a person who wears a lot of sunglasses and I do not own a lot of pair of sunglasses, but I really liked how they looked, so that's why I ordered them, just for the pictures. I do not wear sunglasses outside because I already have specs, so I cannot see if I only wear these. The sunglasses are of really good quality. I don't think it's gonna break that easily because they are like very sturdy as well. Also, I personally think that these sunglasses look really chic and cool, so I think you can give it a shot. Next thing that I ordered from Amazon is like a really good thing for somebody who likes clicking their pictures but do not have anybody to click them. Let me tell you guys, I have this really good product for you. This is a Bluetooth clicker. So how it works is you have to just turn this on and connect it with your phone via Bluetooth, and then if you click this, the picture is clicked. It is really worth every penny I spent on it. I ordered this Bluetooth clicker so that I can click my pictures by myself and I do not have to take videos anymore and take screenshots in between. I think it's a great purchase. I think everybody who likes clicking their pictures should own a Bluetooth clicker. I haven't tried it Instagram Pay, but I know for sure that Snapchat Camera Pay it works. So next thing that I ordered was an impulsive decision, and I do not know why I ordered this. Just because I was seeing this all over reels and stuff, that is why I ordered this. This is a jade roller and this is a gua sha, and I just don't know how to use these. I just saw like 4 or 5 reels where people were using this jade roller and gua sha for their skincare. I am not a skincare person, still I ordered this because I was seeing it all over reels. So yeah, I would blame it on Instagram. And I got both these products for I think ₹285. I don't think it's of really good quality because it was like super cheap, or कोई product अगर इतना expensive है and it is so much hyped, so I think 285 is like very less. I don't honestly think it will work, but I just ordered it because I just wanted to. I'm going to be reviewing these products in my Instagram story, so stay tuned. You all have to follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram ID I'm going to be putting somewhere here. So the next thing that I ordered from Amazon is this shirt which I am wearing right now. This is one of the best purchase. I know I'm saying this for all the products because I really liked them. Malab, ye shirt I really love. The fabric is so comfortable. It's so light. You can actually wear this in summers and like feel super comfortable in it. The fabric is again cotton and very lightweight. I really am liking the pattern of the shirt, and the rolled up sleeves are like adding to its beauty. I really loved the shirt and I think I'm gonna wear it every single day because It's so good. Personally, I love wearing shorts, and this is one of the best buy. So this was like super cheap. I just got it for rupees 280, although it has some shipment charges. I think the shipment charge were around rupees 100. Like, you can pair it with camisoles, you can also wear it as a shirt, you can also leave it open, you can do a lot of styles with it because of its pattern as well. Also, I'm really liking the color and the fit and the material, so I think this shirt is like 10 on 10. I really love it. That's about it for the Amazon products. Let's just go to Nykaa now. So the first product is this Nivea's cream. It's the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizing Cream. It's for face, body and hands. I really like it because I've used this before, and this really is amazing for people who have dry skin. This moisturizer is really lightweight and non-greasy, which makes it perfect for summers. Also, it's paraben free, guys. So the next product that I ordered is this face wash by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Sandalwood and Orange Peel Detanning Face Wash. I haven't used this face wash before, so I do not know much about this. I've heard like really good reviews about this face wash. It's actually paraben free and it is really suitable for people who have dry skin. Like, I have just heard the reviews, I haven't used it, so I cannot comment on it right now. But definitely I'm going to review it on my stories once I use it, so stay tuned for that. Next thing that I ordered is this lipstick from Kiko Milano in the shade Chestnut. I actually used this lipstick twice and I'm actually wearing it right now with this other lipstick. Like, I mix match my lipsticks and then wear it. And I must tell you, this lipstick is like really nice. This lipstick smells really good. If you have watched my first video, you know how much I care about the smell of the product, and I'm really attracted to a product just by its smell, which I know kind of sounds vague, but it's just who I am. It's actually a nude brown lipstick. It has a brown undertone to it. This lipstick feels really good on your lips. Like, it does not dry out your lips. It really feels light on your lips. The only problem that I have is that it wears off very quickly, so you have to like reapply it every once in 2 hours. I personally like this lipstick a lot, but if you are a fan of matte lipsticks, I don't think you should go for this. But if you like bullet lipsticks, I think it's really good. The next thing that I ordered is this Nykaa's hand and nail cream. This product is paraben free and cruelty free, so I think it is going to work well. So the smell is of lilies. Actually, it's a white lily variant though. It smells really good, and I think that I'm going to use it as much as I can because the fragrance is really amazing. So the next thing that I ordered is this eyeshadow palette from Nicka K in the variant Watermelon Splash. I already own one variant of this palette. It is the Mocha Mix palette, and the matte shades are like wow. They are super pigmented and they do not cause a fallout at all. And that is why I expect that this palette के भी shades वैसे ही होंगे. I'm super excited to use it now. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is this Lakme's Insta Liner. I have heard super amazing reviews about this liner, and I just want to try it for myself to see if this actually is worth the hype. So it states that it is a water resistant eyeliner, which is a super good thing because eyeliners should be water resistant and mascaras should not be. This is actually not a matte liner, it has a gloss. It just costs rupees 130 and iska जो quantity है, it's really good. So the next product that I have is the lip scrub by N in the variant Candy Floss. I have seen a lot of influencers talk about this product and say कि उनका favorite lip scrub है, but I haven't actually used a lip scrub अभी तक, and I just wanted to order because I don't know why मैं एकदम से skincare fan बन चुकी हूँ. I really like the packaging and the quantity भी बहुत अच्छा है because it's pura full, like you can see it's pura full abhi. I haven't tried this again. The smell of this lip scrub is super good. Like it smells of crayon, like वो जो कलर वाला क्रेयॉन नहीं होता वो वाला स्मेल है इसका. थोड़ा कैंडी स्मेल भी है और क्रेयॉनी स्मेल भी है, विच इज़ रियली गुड. मतलब मुझे लगता है मैं खा ही जाऊँगी लिप स्क्रब. द कलर इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्यूट एंड आई ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट द स्मेल, तो बहुत अच्छा है स्मेल एंड आई कैन नॉट वेट टू यूज़ इट. सो या. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is this nail paint from Nykaa. It's in their matte range and in the shade Blueberry Macaron. I actually loved the color. It's like sky blue It's a really good shade to wear in summer. This nail paint dries really quickly and it looks matte. मेरे nail paints के साथ तो बहुत mishaps होते हैं. जब भी मैं nail paint लगाती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ काम आता है and मेरा nail paint पूरा खराब हो जाता है इससे. Really, I'm not a person who can wait like 5 minutes जब तक वो dry नहीं होता, and this really helps in that. I think this product is a really good one, and if you are a fan of nail paints, you have to buy this. Also, this shade is super amazing and it is perfect for summer. So the next product is this Lakme Absolutes lipstick in the shade Peach Rose. This is again a nude lipstick which has like a pink undertone to it. The color is actually a very baby pink sort of a color. I think this shade is a little too light for my skin tone. I feel that it looks a lot lighter on my lips, but I think I'm gonna mix and match this with another lipstick, और मैं ऐसा कुछ mix करके I'm gonna wear this. I really like how this product feels on the lips and it does not dry out my lips again, so it's a plus point. I do not own a lot of Lakme lipsticks, but I just tried it once, और वो भी मैंने सिर्फ like कुछ pictures के लिए ही I bought this lipstick, so I don't know how long it lasts, but I'm really excited to wear it outside. The next thing that I ordered is this Color Bars nail paint remover. Remover is really good as this is acetone free and इसका smell भी इतना strong नहीं है, which is a good point. This costed me around 125 rupees, which is like a fair deal because it has a lot of product and the quantity is really nice. Also, the nail paint comes off really easily. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, comment down below what do you want me to do next, and till then, bye bye, see you next time, love you.